Find the equation of the line passing through the point 3, 4, where the segment intercepted between the axes is divided by this point into ratio 2:3. Okay, first let's try to understand the problem graphically. So we begin by considering the xy coordinate plane. So here we have a line denoted by L1, and the line L1 intersects the x-axis at the point A and the y-axis at the point B. Also, the line passes through the point 3, 4. We're going to name it as the point P, 3, 4. And this point is such that it divides it into ratio 2:3. So we'll suppose that P divides AB into ratio 2:3. So using this information, our goal will be to determine the equation of the straight line. Okay, so first what we'll do, we are going to assume that the equation of the line is given by the intercept form, which is x over a plus y over b equals to 1. So let this be the equation of the straight line. Yeah, that is the equation of the straight line where the a in lowercase represents OA. So that is the x-intercept of the line. This is the x-intercept. And then we have b. B is denoted by OB. So this is the y-intercept of the line. Fine. Now that we have the x-intercept and the y-intercept, we can also define the coordinates of point A. Coordinates of point A, that's simply going to be a, 0, and the coordinates of point B, that's going to be 0, B. Now since it is given here that since the point P having the coordinates 3, 4 divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. In essence, what you're saying here, that AP to that of PP, this ratio equals to 2:3. So here we can apply the internal section formula. So applying the internal section formula using the internal section formula, we can express the coordinates of the point P in terms of its endpoints A and B. So it's already given here that the coordinates of point P, that's 3, 4, but we can also express it in terms of its endpoints using the section formula. So all we have to do is take this value 2 and multiply it to the x coordinate of point B. So that gives us 2 multiplied to 0. Add it to. Next we take this value 3 and multiply it to the x coordinate of point A to get 3 times A, and we divide it by the sum of the ratios 2 plus 3. Next, to find out the y coordinate, we're going to consider 2 and multiply it to the y coordinate of B. So that's going to give us 2b. Added to, we take 3 and multiply it to the y coordinate of point A. So that's simply 0 divided by 2 plus 3. So we simplify it, and this is going to be equals to 3a over 5, 2b over 5. So here what we have said, that the coordinates of the point P, which is given in the problem as 3, 4, it can be also expressed in terms of the endpoints as 3a, 5, 2b over 5. Now what we can do, we can equate them. So 3a over 5, this is going to be equals to 3. And then 2b over 5, so that is going to be equals to 4. So let's solve for the values of a and b. So a comes out to be equals to 5, and then we have b equals to 10. So we have successfully obtained the values of a and b. Now we substitute this back into our supposed equation x over a plus y over b equals to 1 to get the final equation. Thus we have x over 5 added to y over 10 equals to 1. This simply implies that we have 2 times x added to y. This is going to be equals to 10. And this is the required equation of the straight line. This is our required equation.